Welcome to Bill's Bridge Class number 10, Two-Way Reverse Drury, Monday, April 15th, 2013, Tax Day. Earlier we covered the fact that in third or fourth seat you tend to open light. Do you do so? It's good practice if you play duplicate. In third seat, you should strain to open the bidding after two passes. Opening a quality four-card major suit is acceptable, and you can open with about 2 points less than you would normally. In fourth seat, it's similar but a little different. If you pass, it's passed out and you know the score will be 0. If you think you can get a plus score, you should bid. Opening a good four-card major, especially if it's spades, is good strategy. In fact, you should use casino points or Pearson points, and here's how this works. If you add your high card points and your number of spades, and they add up to 15, open. It's called the rule of 15. The idea is you can outbid them at the same level. You probably can end up with a plus score. That's the theory. In third seat, you want to stretch to preempt. Same concept. In fourth seat, preempts really aren't the thing because there's no one to preempt. You tend to bid what you think you can make in fourth seat. But there is a problem if you open light in third seat and if you open in fourth seat with Pearson points. And the problem is, as responder, you cannot force partner to bid because he knows you're a passed hand. And you may have a good supporting hand, but the problem is you may bid light, he may bid light, and you get the partnership too high, up to the 3 level or 4 level, and you just flat can't make it because he opened lighter or maybe with a 4-card major. In particular, limit raises may get partnerships too high. The solution is called Two-Way Reverse Drury. After a third or fourth hand opening bid of a major, if left-hand opponent passes, responder is a passed hand with 10 to 12 dummy points in support of opener's major, bids as follows. 2 clubs shows 10 to 12 support points and 3-card trump support. 2 diamonds shows 10 to 12 support points and 4-card trump support or more. Of course, it's alertable because it's not a natural type of bid. You will find as you learn different conventions that many bids are alertable. The rules of the game say that you can't have special agreements between you and your partner, that the opponents have to know what those agreements are. Opener's rebid. Opener rebids his major suit with any hand he's not interested in game. Except if opener opened a spade, he's allowed to rebid 2 hearts with 4 hearts and a sub minimum. He's not promising more. He's not promising even an opening hand when he rebids 2 hearts after 1 spade, 2 clubs, 1 spade, 2 diamonds. Other bids are natural and confirm at least a full opening bid. If there's interference, if 2 clubs is doubled, a pass shows a sub minimum opening. 2 diamonds confirms a full opening hand. If Drury, reverse Drury, is overcalled, a double confirms a sub minimum. All other bids, including a pass, are natural and confirm that you have a full opening bid. Here's some examples of third or fourth hand openings. In this hand, you want to open 1 spade in third or fourth seat. It's only a 4-card suit, but it's a good 4-card suit. Even if you don't win the bid, your partner knows what the opening lead will be. You're not going to blow a trick. Next hand. A little light, but in third or fourth seat, it's good to open 1 club. I wouldn't open 1 spade with 5 little spades, but 1 club is alright. Same story. At least partner will get an opening lead out that'll be right. This hand. You have both majors. You're a little light for an opening hand, but in third or fourth seat, open 1 heart. You have both majors. It's worth the risk. How about this hand? Well, in fourth seat, open 2 spades. As fourth seat, it's really not a preempt. When you bid 2 spades, you're telling partner, I think I can make 2 spades. Fourth seat preempts are not preempts, they're more like strong bids. Who are you preempting? Nobody. Here's some other things you can agree to do after, as a passed hand, after partner opens a major suit in third or fourth seat. The weak jump raise. It could be the same as an unpassed hand. That's all as weak. You get into the 3 level, but the point is you are weak. So if you are weak, your opponents probably have something they can make. Notice, don't do this if you play limit raises. You're not doing a limit raise. You're not asking partner to go on to 4. Another tactic is 3 clubs is kind of a mini Bergen raise. 7 to 9 dummy points with 4 trump. Again, that's obviously alertable because it's not a standard or natural bid. How about 1 no trump as a passed hand? Semi-forcing. You might have 3 card support and 5 to 7 dummy points. If you do, it's probably a balanced hand with no doubletons or singletons. You might, if partner bids again, you might correct to 2 of his major. And it's only semi-forcing because you are a passed hand. He knows that. Convention cards. We talked about alertable bids. There are also bids that need to be announced. Here's your convention card as it relates to major suit openings and responses. I'd like you to notice the blue and the red on this portion of the convention card. First of all, I open 4-card majors, 3rd and 4th seats, so I so indicate. The raise structure, and we've covered most of these already in previous classes, is marked here. Notice that a double raise, as I play it, is weak. And since it's not standard, it's alertable. You can do a jump raise with as little as 2 points, as we showed before. Also notice that some of the conventional raises, the Splinter 3 no trump, the Jacoby 2 no trump, and Bergen raises are all red and they are alertable. Red means alert. The partner of the person making the bid needs to alert, and if asked, define what partner's bid means. You should alert it. Two-way reverse Drury is marked here also. It is red and it is alertable. We're going to cover some other alertable bids shortly. Anything red is alertable. There's something there that is announceable as the blue. 1 no trump, forcing or semi-forcing, you announce. Your partner bids 1 no trump, you say forcing or semi-forcing. Tomorrow, we're going to go with Class 11, more after the raise. What happens if partner has some other form of a major suit raise after you open one of a major? What are your rebids and where do you go from there? We're going to cover that tomorrow. Have a great tax day.